So you guys want to make money with used sneakers off GOAT? Let me show you guys exactly how to do that. Now before we get into the video guys, I do want to give you guys a little bit of a disclaimer. So you guys actually aren't going to get paid directly from GOAT, you know what I mean? Like, you're going to make money off the back end, if that makes sense. So you're not going to get paid directly to wear your shoes. You have to buy the shoes, wear them, and then resell them for more. So don't expect to get like a paycheck from GOAT in the mail for like wearing used shoes, okay? I just wanted to clear that up, just in case you guys like think this is clickbait or something. You're not going to get paid directly from GOAT. You're going to get paid when you resell them. Now before we get straight into the video guys, I do want to introduce myself. My name is UnlimitedCop. I make videos over streetwear, Supreme, sneaker videos, sneaker botting videos, vlogs, and a lot of different other content. So if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please definitely consider doing so. And if I do help you guys out in this video in any way, please be sure to hit that like button down below. Alright guys, without any further ado, let's just hop right into this video. So essentially guys, I'm going to be showing you how to buy used shoes off GOAT significantly under resale price. Now once you buy the used shoes for, I guess you could say, a steal price, and then list them back on GOAT to either make a little bit more profit or just break even. That's what I'm currently doing with these Travis Scotts. I got them for around $900 on GOAT. They are used, but as you can see, they're in very good condition. I want to be wearing them for a couple months probably, and then once the price goes up, I'm going to resell them once again and make a little bit of money off of them. So this is very beneficial, so you guys can actually wear these hype shoes and actually turn a profit instead of just buying them new and then automatically losing money once you put them on your feet. Now guys, I do want to say this might be kind of a common sense thing. There might be some of you guys already doing it, but this is a video for you guys that don't know about this. Personally, I didn't know about it till like a couple months ago. I've been doing it for a little bit, and I've been able to wear some nice shoes and actually turn a profit from them. So you guys are going to need a couple of things before we get started. The first is going to be the GOAT app. If you don't have GOAT, I'll leave a link down in the description below. Just download it, it's a free app. If you guys don't know what GOAT is, it's pretty much just a marketplace where you can buy and sell new shoes. Now that we got all that out of the way, let's hop onto my phone and I can show you guys how to get started. You guys just want to open up the GOAT app right here, and as you can see, we're on the home page. Now if you guys have not already, be sure you make an account. So it's pretty self-explanatory guys. From here, you just want to go through and browse the app and see what shoes you like. Let's say you like these Sean Weatherspoons up here, just click view sneaker. And as you can see, we're on the listings page. We have the buy new section, and then if you swipe over, you'll see the used section. Let's say you want to pick a size 10.5 up. Then right here, as you can see, you have all the used listings. These don't look in too bad condition. The uppers look really nice actually. Yeah, these actually look really good. Damn, it's actually really good condition. I mean, the only thing is the bottoms are a little bit dirty, but if you're gonna be wearing the shoe, it doesn't really matter. I might advise waiting though, just because as you can see from the other listings, these aren't a super good deal, but they're a pretty good deal. So I'm gonna browse the GOAT app for a little bit. I'm gonna find a really good deal on a shoe that I can show you guys kind of what I'm talking about. So I'll see you guys when I do that. Alright guys, so we're back now and I actually found a pretty good deal. As you can see, we're on the Fury God Light Bones. We're on size 11, and as you can see at the top listing, it's $505, and the second listing is going to be $700. That's a $200 price difference between the shoes. So most likely, if you bought this shoe and you liked it, you could probably wear it for a couple months, list it back on GOAT for somewhere around $650, and then actually turn a profit on it. As we can see, the buy new price right now is $700, so it might be a little bit of a stretch for this shoe, but you guys understand what I'm talking about now. You want to look for shoes that are significantly lower than the second listing, if that makes sense, so then you can buy them, wear them for a little bit, and then resell them eventually. So right now we're on my orders page guys, and I picked up a pair of blank canvas human races. As you can see right here, I paid $242 for these. I bought them on May 21st, 2019. And if we go over to my sold page, I sold them 6 months later for $1 profit. So as you can see guys, like I wore these shoes for basically free, and I got $1.20 out of them for just wearing them for 6 months. So that's actually a really good deal in my opinion. That's pretty much all there is to do guys if you want to make a little bit of money buying and wearing used shoes on GOAT. If you guys have any questions or anything I didn't go over in this video, be sure to leave a comment down in the comment section below. And as always guys, if it did help you guys out in any way, please be sure to leave a like down below and hit that subscribe button for more content. Also guys, if you haven't already, be sure to follow my Twitter, my Instagram, my Snapchat, I don't even have Facebook, but something. All my social medias are linked down in the description below if you guys are interested. Also leave a comment on what video you guys want to see next. And I'm trying to find something to put right here in this blank space. It's really pissing me off. So if you guys have any like suggestions on what I should put right there, leave a comment down below and let me know. That's pretty much it guys. I hope you guys did enjoy. I'm UnlimitedCop and I'm out.
Yeah, I run my city without running shoes. You ain't gotta wonder who. All these rappers sound the same. Damn, there is a ton of you. I just smirked the competition, did it right in front of you. Before I even learned to count, I kept it 100 too. I be on my Kendrick shit, really bout to humble you. Never ever drop the ball, no, I never fumbled.